Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I will show you if you're trying to insert SIM card on your iPhone or iPad device and you are having this type of problem, SIM not supported, then here in this video, I will tell you the solution through which you can easily fix this problem. If you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device while inserting SIM card, then here, first of all, here you'll have to close this tab. So the first thing, check compatibility. So make sure SIM card is compatible with your iPhone and particular model. So here make sure that your SIM card is compatible with your iPhone and its particular model. And if it is compatible, then here move to the next solution. Here then you will have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So here simply you'll have to force restart your iPhone device, and then after that try to insert SIM card and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Then here you'll have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that here you'll have to scroll it below. Then here tap on screen time here. Then scroll it below. Then here tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then here you'll have to turn on this toggle from here, and here below you'll have to make sure that all these toggles should be allowed from here. Make sure that no one toggle should be disallowed from here. Then after that go back, and then after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you'll have to again open setting, then scroll it below here, tap on general here. Then here we have to tap on software update, and here we will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version of the iOS. Then after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Then here you'll have to remove the SIM card from your iPhone device, and here you'll have to clean your iPhone device where you insert the SIM, and here you'll have to reinsert the SIM, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you'll have to go back again here. Then after that here you'll have to scroll below here, then tap on general here. Then we have to scroll it below here, and here tap on transfer or reset iPhone here. Then here tap on reset. Then here you'll have to tap on reset all settings here. Then after that here you'll have to input your iPhone passcode. Then after that here you'll have to go back and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here tap on VPN and device management, and here make sure that you're not connected with any VPN. If you're connected with VPN, then here you will have to disconnect with VPN and then try again later. Then after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here contact your carrier for more assistance. Here you will have to contact with your carrier for more assistance, tell them your problem, then hopefully they will fix your problem. This problem can be belongs to them. So after that, after all this setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to insert SIM card on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.